Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Detailing with Chad. Uh, in the last video, I showed you guys what I use to dry my car to help me keep from getting water spots with hard water. Um, the Mustang has been put up for the year or for the winter, and I run into a lot of problems with it sitting in the garage and just getting dusty. Yes, I should probably buy a car cover for it, but right now I don't have one. So I've been kind of looking around when I'm at places on what can I use to help keep it from getting dusty. And the other day I was at Walmart with the wife, and while she's shopping, I was in the detailing section and I'm reading a bunch of stuff. And I'll admit, I'm not a big Chemical Guys fan, but I found this Speed Wipe. Now, on the Speed Wipe, it claims, well, I'll just read it to you. It quickly and easily detail your car in a matter of minutes. Speed Wipe is designed to restore the high gloss shine to your paintwork. Formulated to repel dust by reducing static cling to the painted surface. That is why I bought it. It was, I think, 10 bucks. It's a spray gloss and quick detailer. Delivers brilliant shine, clean shines, and protects anti-static formula. So, let me flip you guys around here. So if you can see, the whole top of the car is just covered in dust. It's been sitting in a garage for 1 week. It's dusty. I do plan on polishing it this winter, but right now I want to see if this works. So we're going to try out some speed wipe. Get the focus. And you can see it says anti-static formula there at the bottom. So we're going to try it out. I'm going to show you guys how to use it, and we'll go from there. We'll see how easy it is to use, see if it works, and I'll give you an update in like a week. But that being said, please please hit the bell, and it would mean a lot to me if you could subscribe. So that being said, let's get into the video, and yeah, let's go. Okay, so first, remember, always shake up your products. I hope you guys can see this, but it is dusty as all get out up here. And the directions say, shake well, spray on surface, gently wipe, use a microfiber towel to remove dirt, dust, and fingerprints. Wipe to expose mirror finish paintwork. Doesn't say buff off, it just literally says spray it on and wipe it. So that's what we're going to do. Give it one spray. Well, that's pretty simple. You can see the difference. And yes, I know the paint, oh my god, it's really bad in camera. But we're going to see if we can fix that later. You can see it worked pretty well. So let's do that again. Now, can you use it on glass? It doesn't state whether or not you can use it on glass. Like I said, we will be doing a polishing video here pretty soon. It does feel slick. Comes off really, really easily. Doesn't streak. Oh yeah, big, big difference. It's really, really slick. But it's pretty simple to use. Just curious if it's going to work. A little bit goes a long way. And it just wipes off really, really, really easy. Kind of impressed with how easy it is to use. One of the easier quick detailers I've ever used, really. I can still feel it on the towel. It's like the towel's not really soaking it up. It's just kind of spreading it out. Right on. Come off the glass real simple. Good. Now let me know in the comments if you guys have ever used this. Let's see if that dries up. Or if there's anything else you guys have used that helps keep dirt or dust off your car while you're storing it. But it's pretty simple to use. It says it takes off fingerprints. We don't have any fingerprints on the car right now. But it literally doesn't say, like most of your detailers, you spray on, spread it, and you wipe it off. This, it literally just says to spray it on and wipe it. So what I think we'll do is we're going to do half the car. We'll do the whole passenger side. And we'll leave the driver's side and we'll see how much of a difference it does. And next week we'll come back and we'll see what it's like. So I'm going to do the passenger side real quick and we'll go from there. Let's see. Got some water spots here. See if it pulls those off. Water spots right here. Okay. Pulled those right off. Man, this paint looks horrible on the camera. Some more water spots here. Now there's still some on the towel, so let's see if that'll just take it right off. Yep. Okay. And I'm sure there's stuff that you can order that is probably better, but this channel focuses on stuff you can just go down to your local store and buy, whether it's Walmart, AutoZone, O'Reilly, dollar store maybe. So if you guys have found something that works, keep dust off your car while it's just sitting in the garage, let me know. I'm really curious because every time I walk out to the garage and see that just cars just sitting there getting dirty without even being driven, it's kind of annoying. It smells good too. It's got a really good smell to it. And it's so simple to use. That really impresses me. It don't streak. Which most chemical guys products, they work well, they just don't last very long. For what I've used. Most of them is pretty simple to use. That's gonna make me want to buff this even sooner. Man, it's got an awesome smell to it. I really, really like the smell. To the other side of the hood or roof. Try and make a good line here so we can see it about a week. Now this has only been sitting for a week and it is dusty. Whoa, let's not do that. But I am impressed on how easy this is to use. Alright, let's go back here. I really want you guys to see that I'm doing just literally half the car. Now we're going to leave it sit here for about a week. And next weekend, we'll come out. And we'll see how big of a difference it makes. We'll see if the dust sticks to it. There's definitely going to be dust around it. A lot of it's just, wife opens the garage door, pull her car in and out. The wind's blowing. But man, I love the smell. It smells so wonderful. Alright, I want you guys to be able to see the roof. It's probably the easiest to see. You can see where I started and stopped. I hope. And we will come back and we'll see how that works. So if you guys would, please like, subscribe, share it. We just hit 100 subscribers, which is absolutely amazing. I appreciate every single one of you guys. I thank you. Let's hit 200. See if we can get 200 in the next month or two. And that would be absolutely amazing. And like I said, leave in the comments what you guys think about this. If you've ever used Speed Wipe, what's your favorite chemical guys product? Or, have you found a product that helps keep dust off your car when it just sits? It states it keeps the static clean from it, so we're going to find out. So that being said, thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys, and we will see you guys in the next video. Remember, you only live life once, so stay true to yourself, be kind to others, and see you guys in the next video.